Let's try something that you never felt. I've got issues, but everybody's got their own.
Hey guys, it's Elise and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with another Amazon Prime wig video, and this wig does come from Beauty Forever, and I will leave all the information and links and codes in the info section below, so be sure to check there. So this is everything that I got with my wig, and here is the wig that I have. I have their new pre-layered wig, and this is what it looks like once I get the wig on. You guys can truly see the different layers in the wig, and I will insert a photo right here of exactly what this layered wig looks like. However, once again, this is the wig. It does have that 13 by 4 inch lace. It is Brazilian straight. My wig is 20 inches long, 150% density, and it also has that pre-plucked hairline. But right now I'm going to go ahead and do some minor customizations as usual. So I'm starting off with bleaching my knots.
Felt so lost, heart so cold like Robert Frost. Saw the world and took a shot, cause you remind me what I got. Flows like water that moves through the streams, flows like sunlight that meets the sea. Cause I got you and you got me, yeah. Riding waves of energy, yeah. Flows like water that moves through the streams, flows like sunlight that meets the sea. Cause I got you and you got me, yeah. Riding waves of energy, yeah.
So now I'm just going to tint my lace. Now you can also use foundation if that makes things easier for you. However, I find that whenever I use foundation and I go to melt my wig down, it just kind of turns white. It gets really crusty and I don't really like that look. So an easier method for myself is just by tinting the lace. Now I do use this fabric dye, in which I'll leave everything that I'm using throughout this video in the info section below, but you guys can see the before and after, and it's going to stay like that forever. So now I'm just going to tweeze up this hairline just a bit. You guys do notice that this wig is already pre-plucked, so if you're a beginner, you don't have to do what I'm doing. You can definitely wear it as is. However, I like to take it a step further just so that it fits my liking. So I'm just going to tweeze the hairline. I will see you guys once I'm done with that.
Girls, them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that cool shit, yeah. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going. Make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk on. Baby, you're welcome. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind. You gotta know.
body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So I like to use this spray by Kafun, and I got this from Amazon. It's called the Melt Me Down spray. Now I use this just because I'm able to take off the wig towards the end of the night. It doesn't take out my hairline or my baby hairs, anything like that. And I do know that the spray has a bad reputation because it turns white and gets real crusty. However, I don't use like a wrapping strip, or I don't tie my hair down or anything like that. And I noticed that when I just blow dry it like so, it doesn't turn white. It doesn't really build up that weird white residue. So if you guys have that problem with this spray, definitely try this method and see if your results change. But you guys notice that the hairline looks really clean. There's no buildup, there's no whiteness or anything like that. So now I'm going in with a little bit of foundation just in the parting space, just because I'm wearing a black stocking cap. So this is a cool little trick in order to make it look like scalp. I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and this is what the wig looks like.
You I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me.
So now I'm taking a pair of shears and I'm just going to clean up those layers. I just wanted it to look a little more sharper in my opinion. So just by going down the length of the hair with some shears, you can be able to sharpen that up. And now I'm just using my flat iron just to bump the ends. I really wanted this wig to look exactly like the photos on Amazon. So I'm just doing some light bumps just along where the hair is layered. Then I'm going to go in with my wax stick to kind of get everything nice and flat. Following up with my hot comb. This is just going to give you that flat, realistic look, and pretty much here we are. This is the wig. You guys get into it. I am in love with this light sheen, and you have to kind of go in and clean up the layers just a bit if you want to really get this sharp layered look. It's kind of giving me like the 90s Aaliyah vibes, and I'm here for it. But you guys get into this hair. Now I did very minimal baby hairs, and I am just kind of at this point where I'm over baby hairs. I don't know if I'm just not necessarily knowing how to do them anymore, or if I just don't care, but I just kind of have them brushed down just to kind of cover up the lace, just in case it may kind of peek through. That's like a really quick method if you guys want to just sort of disguise the lace, and this is what it looks like. You guys can see how realistic everything looks. Everything just looks really nice with this wig, and I am here for it. So once again, you guys do check out Beauty Forever. I will have all the information and links located in the info section below. Use discount code TwinGodesses if you would like to save an additional 10% off of your purchase. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.
Love, baby.